Good day, future leaders. My name is Angel May Santa Maria from Group 10 Caltech. The local company that we choose is San Miguel Food and Beverages Inc. They are a hybrid business because San Miguel operates across manufacturing, merchandising, and service sectors. Let's have a brief background about it. San Miguel Food and Beverage Inc. is a leading Philippine consumer goods company engaged in the manufacture and distribution of food and beverage products. Operating across three segments: food, beer, and non-alcoholic beverages and spirits. It manages iconic brands like Magnolia, Pure Foods, Monterey, BMEG, San Miguel Brewery, and Ginebra San Miguel, with over 11,500 employees and annual revenues of 400.85 billion. SMFB plays a vital role in the country's food and beverage industry. Now let's move on to the questions. Number 1. What is the form of the general financial statement? The form of the given financial statement is an income statement. It summarizes a company's financial performance, detailing revenues, expenses, and profitability. Also, income statement shows how much money a business made and spent over a certain period, helping to figure out if it earned a profit or a loss. Number 2. What are the contents of the financial statement? Income and expenses of the company. First, let's talk about income. Sales or revenue is 400 billion 847 million. Gross income is 103 billion 98 million. EBIT is 55 billion 809 million. Non-operating interest income is 3 billion 788 million. Non-operating income is 439 million and net income is 25 billion 743 million. For expenses, the cost of goods sold is 297 billion 749 million. Interest expense is 4 billion 809 million. SG&A expense is 47 billion 331 million. Unusual expense is 1 billion 557 million. Non-operating expense is 436 million. Other operating expense is 42 million. And lastly, minority interest expense is 15 billion 190 million. These are the contributions of our group. That's all. Thank you.